2018 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS The Brightest stars in the Constellation. The new GTS models bring the total number of current Porsche 911 Carrera variants with turbo engines to 19, while the R, GT3 and GT3 RS remain true to the naturally aspirated engine at least for now. As it stands, the GTS lineup consists of 5 versions, including coupes and cabriolets that come with either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and the Targa 4 GTS with all-wheel drive only. Purists will also be pleased to learn that the 911 Carrera GTS comes standard with a 7-speed manual gearbox. The 7-speed twin-clutch PDK will be offered on option. As you expect, the GTS models have the body of the Carrera 4 and 4s, which is why they are wider than the regular Carrera and Carrera S. Moreover, the GTS has a more classic look, featuring 20-inch black alloy rims with center caps as well as darkened taillights. The all-wheel drive versions can be distinguished from the rear-wheel drivers by the number 4 on the rear shield or by the color of the strip that connects the lights, dark for RWD, light for AWD. The 3.0-liter flat-6 engine gets bigger turbochargers with increased pressure that helps the GTS generate 450 horsepower, 30 more horsepower than the current Carrera S. Standard GTS logo-adorned sports seats headline this passenger cabin, which also features leather and Alcantara covering for the sport steering wheel, shift knob and armrests. Braking proved intense with massive deceleration courtesy of the GTS brakes, which are oversized compared to those of the 911 Carrera S. The rims and tires are a half-inch wider, and you really sense the car gripping with more gusto in corners. As always, the PDK gearbox is a model of efficiency, both in downshifting as well as when re-accelerating. I also did a few laps with a 2018 Porsche 911 GTS equipped with the fabulous manual gearbox and its ultra-precise shifter, but the lap times were slightly slower than those with the twin-clutch gearbox. The car is more fun to drive with the manual transmission, but faster with the PDK. Ultimately, it's a question of priorities. I'd be remiss not to mention the remarkable sound of the GTS with sport exhaust. It seems noticeably more aggressive than the regular 911 Carrera sound. Sure, it DOES and rev as freely as the previous version, old naturally aspirated flat 6, but at least the GTS has a certain liveliness about it that will make you forget that it has moved into the turbo era. This same selector also includes a button called Sport Response, which quickly chooses the lowest gear possible on the PDK twin-clutch transmission, sharpens gas response time and increases turbo pressure to the max for 20 seconds, which facilitates overtaking on secondary roads. Believe me, it's addictive.